Hi everyone, and welcome to our Halloween special. Today we are making 3 Halloween-inspired cocktail garnishes to get into the Halloween spirit. For our eyeball, you will need some lychees, some blueberries, and some red gel icing. Here I'm using the Wilton brand, but you can use any type of red icing or even simply some red liquid food coloring. For the blackberry spider legs, I am using dried grapevines. What's great about them is that you can manipulate them a little without them breaking on you. You could also use tin lace black licorice for the legs. That would make a really fun alternative for kids. If you're enjoying this video and haven't already, please consider subscribing for more food decoration videos in the upcoming weeks. And finally, for our olives alien, you will need a red food coloring pencil. Make sure that the olive is dry before you start sketching the face. Thank you for watching and happy Halloween!